Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Safari because private browsing is managed there. Open Safari and tap the tabs icon, those two overlapping squares, so you can see all tab groups. Once done, glance at the bottom or top where the tab group name appears. If it says private, you're in the private session. Make sure to note whether multiple windows are open. Closing or switching windows alters which tabs you'll change next. Now prepare to switch out of private to normal browsing. You need to actively leave the private group. Tap the word private in the tab group menu to reveal other tab groups, then choose tabs or any named group. This returns you to standard browsing with history and autofill enabled. Alternatively, tap the plus icon to open a fresh, non-private tab. This also exits the private context. If you prefer closing private entirely, press and hold the tabs icon and close private windows. Make sure Safari. You should verify the change by noting Safari's appearance. Non-private tabs use the regular light or default background and show your browsing history later. If private seems stuck, force close Safari by swiping it away from the app switcher and reopen. That clears transient state. If that still fails, restart your iPhone to resolve system glitches. One key tip: if restrictions or a managed profile enforces private, check settings, screen time, or profiles. Remove or adjust those controls if you can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.